the bird came back. Look at that thing. So beautiful. I don't believe it. Oh my god. Beautiful hawk there. So massive. What a beautiful bird. He just flew here. I'm going for a walk and I don't know. He always shows up when I go for a walk for some reason. Beautiful bird. Hello, birdie. What happened? You're so pretty. You hunting? What are you doing there? Hiding in the tree. Oh my god. Look at that bird. Oof, that's a big one. Big bird. Let me get a different angle for you guys. Oh. Wow. Oh. There you go. There he goes. Oh, he's going down the sidewalk. If you can see him. There he goes. He just landed in that other tree up there.